Okay, this pot always vibrates. I guess it's not even on the bottom. I love this little pot. So what do? Because if I leave it like this, maybe it's going to just vibrate itself off onto the floor and spill the boiling water and make a problem. So I'm going to take something metal that, is not going to burn up. I'm going to put it next to it to stop the vibration. Let's see. And if it's not enough, then I'll get more metal stuff. Hold on. No, this should work. There. Of course, it's best to stay in or near the kitchen whenever you have things going on.